Hi friends! Today we are drawing a super cute house together. So, first we start by drawing a rectangle. Now it's time to draw the roof of the house. Next, we'll draw the chimney. After that, we'll draw a window and then a door for the house. Let's go for coloring. The door is bright yellow. There's a little heart shape. Look at the blue window. This house has green and pink walls. So colorful and fun. The roof is orange and makes the house look so warm. Oh, don't forget the blue chimney. See you in the next video, my friends.